Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Charge 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. To change the watch face on this device, we need to open the FITBIT application on our phone. In the app, make sure that you're on this page right here, on the Today page. If you're not, simply tap on Today right here. Then tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. Now select your Charge 5 from the list of devices. Oh, my bad. Right here. And you should see the Charge 5 device page, as you can see. And right here you have clock faces. Tap on it. And as you can see, here we have the list of watch faces we can apply to our band. Find the watch face you like on this list. Tap on it to select it, like this. And right here we have a preview of it, as you can see. And we have description. And if you want to install this watch face, basically apply it to your watch, tap on the, or rather smart band, not watch, my bad. Tap on the install button and wait. As you can see, once it's done, the clock face will be applied to your smart band. Let's select different one, for example this one, and again install. And once it's done, it's gonna be applied like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.